Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Westinghouse brand heated blanket and it's giving you an E on the controller, and if it's giving you an E, displaying an E, it's probably not heating, and you're trying to figure out what is this E and how do you get rid of it. So E, as you might expect, is standing for error, and so that's usually happening when the controller, it's getting electricity but it's not getting enough to properly heat. And so I'll talk about a couple things that you can do. The main thing that's probably causing it is just a poor connection somewhere, so the electricity flow is not good enough. So what you want to do is you want to just turn it off, and then you want to do two things. One is you want to check all the connections from the controller to the blanket and going in and out of the blanket, in and out of the controller, making sure everything is connected properly. And the second thing that you want to do is, if you had it like plugged in via an extension cord or a power strip or something like that, you don't want to do that. You want to plug it in directly into the wall and make sure it's snugly plugged into the wall. Because a power cord, an extension cord that can't carry enough current can cause this error, as well as a power strip. And then you'll know that that's the issue, and you'll know you can't use that power strip or that extension cord. If you do all that, you should be able to get rid of this E and get your blanket working again. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.